Welcome back to the old Priime YouTube channel. Today we're heading over to the racetrack to go meet up with all the guys because tomorrow starts Sick Week. We don't really have a cool Sick Week prep video because A, our cars are trash and they're never done. B, we just built out all the cameras and then decided to change them last minute. So that's boring. Our original plan for Sick Week was to bring the G35, but hey, it's not done yet. No one was putting their money on it being done, so let's be honest. So we're just gonna take the BMW and we're just gonna be at Bradenton and Orlando. So just Monday and Tuesday, day 1 and day 2 of Sick Week, just to hang out, capture some cool stuff, and then head back to Bradenton because we have the live for the Sport Compact Series next Saturday. So we wanna make sure we are fully prepped and ready for that live shoot. But enough jibber jabber, let's get to the Freedom Factory. Alright guys, we're here at Bradenton Motorsports Park. I'm feeling pretty sore right now. Yesterday, I rode dirt bikes. You know what? Let's show these good people how good I am on a dirt bike.
Dude. Oh god.
Anyway, now that that's over with, I'm gonna grab the drone real quick. There's a massive line for tech. I wanna take a closer look without going out there. So I guess they're allowing testing, which is kind of new for any type of race week before the kickoff party. So we're gonna go hang out, watch some of this real quick, and then jump over to the Freedom Factory.
1391 at 102. So the 10-0s earlier, 1490 to 63 miles an hour.
We just finished up here at Bradenton Motorsports Park. We caught about the last 30 minutes of racing. That's the fastest 60 foot of the day. But here we're heading over to the Freedom Factory for the kickoff party. I don't really know what that means, but sounds fun.
We'll find out.
Yeah, we will find out shortly. We got people grilling out here. It is cool that tomorrow is day 1 here at Bradenton, so all these people are kind of prepped and ready to go so they don't have to travel before racing tomorrow. So let me shut up and we'll head straight to the Freedom Factory. Alright, so we just finished up here at the Freedom Factory. Clean Trailblazer SS right here. There's like 2 or 3 of those on this trip. But yeah, I mean, super cool way to kick off the freaking race week. Everyone's just here enjoying themselves in the middle of the Freedom Factory, but we're done for the night. We are gonna pack up. We have an early morning tomorrow. I think racing starts at 8 a.m., which means we gotta be there at 7. We still gotta do the track decal for Tom with the Sick Week logo. But yeah, we're wrapped up. We're gonna go home, edit a little bit, and then prep all the gear and pack a small duffel for our 2-day travels. But see you guys tomorrow at Bradenton Motorsports Park, shredding.
Good morning, everybody. It is 7:18 on Monday, day 1 of Sick Week. Chris is currently pulling off the cam car attachment on the rear of the car. We decided we're not going to use the cam car this week because we won't really have enough time in between races to kind of set the car back up, because we're still kind of experimenting with the FX6 on there, and the views here in Florida aren't as nice as they are up in Colorado for Rocky Mountain Race Week, so we just kind of figured, hey, we're also only doing it for the one drive, so we're like, it's not really worth it doing it, so we'll just hang out the window and get some rollers whenever we actually need to. Got the FX6, we have the 1D in there, we've got the drone, everything sport-wise, power, chargers, cables, batteries, things of that nature. Over here we've got the A7S2 on the Ronin RS2 with the Atmos Inferno screen on here. So this will be our gimbal rig for the next 2 days alongside the FX6. The camera that we're using right now to film this is my Canon EOS R, big Canon guy. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything loaded up in the car, and then we'll be on our way to BMP.
Yo, feel free to pack the car around me though too.
Alright.
If we forgot anything, doesn't matter. We're in Orlando. Alright, day one, sick week. We just packed the car up for our big overnight trip to Orlando.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna head to the track. I think racing starts at 9. We gotta install the big sick week decal real quick, and it's off to the races.
Literally.
Fresh plate.
Fresh plate. Finally got a plate back. Don't speed, boys. But yeah, let's head to Bradenton. We'll start filming the race. Oh yeah, they're doing the driver's meeting. Just arrived at Bradenton, it is back. They're doing the driver's meeting. Stands are completely full with the racers. I think there's at least 300 racers this year, there has to be. But yeah, we're gonna install this decal. We'll probably wait till we don't have an audience of 700 people watching us. But yeah,
probably ideal.
Yeah, we'll wait a minute. So the stickers are about 10 feet wide, and our printer does about 5-foot cap. So we have one sticker that is 2 pieces. So that should be pretty interesting. Not usually a big deal, but on the surface of the track it can be a little hard. So Andrew's never done it before. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, we're gonna wait a minute because there's like 500 people. Not looking to embarrass myself in front of everybody.
There are 324 registered racers.
What?
Oh my god. So that's at least 324 passes each calendar day.
Dude, this is sick.
Came out tight. No, it's sick. It's fucking sick. It's not tight. It's freaking sick.
The mag. Dude, it's funny how just a logo can make it look so much cooler.
Oh my god.
Hit up Priime Vinyl for all your
awesome.
track decal needs.
Yeah, right? We've done it so many times, the guys hate it. We got a big shout out to Andrew. He's never laid a decal before like that. Real MVP of the show is the dude behind the camera. All right, guys, we're about halfway done with day one. Some crazy passes. We just saw Kyle completely shred down the track, all-wheel drive, which was awesome. But they're on, I think, the B or C group. But yeah, we're gonna grab some food real quick. Check out this sick montage from what we just filmed. Mitchell always brings out the best stuff, dude. But yeah, that thing looks like a freaking couch drag racer. Not bad, not bad. I don't have a whole lot to say about this besides I want one. I think that's the best part about race week is that you can come out here with literally any car and just have the absolute best time, and everyone's here to help each other. Pretty cool stuff, and honestly, even filming it and not having a car in the race, it's just as fun. Well, it's probably not just as fun because we don't have a car, but
And the stories, the part that I want everybody to get, stories are about let's roll the LC.
sick, dude. Sickest car on sick week. Dude, every single race week, Jamie goes through like 8 transmissions, 6 motors. Here we are, day 1. Back at it again, dude. Dude, his block is split all the way around. 80 pounds of boost in the burnout box.
I'll go to the water pump, the only thing holding it together. The water pump? Yeah.
Alright guys, we are done here for day 1 at Bradenton Motorsports Park for Sick Week. We got all the footage we need, but here's the catch. We were going to do Monday and Tuesday and follow all the guys to Orlando, but we checked the weather and it's like a 99% chance of rain starting at 8 a.m. So we're not going to make the aimless drive up to Orlando. So what we're going to do is go back to the shop right now, offload what we have, and then make the call in the morning. So hopefully the weather's updated, and luckily enough for us, it's only about a 2-hour jump from our shop to Orlando. So if the weather holds off, we'll see you guys in Orlando. But yeah, for now we're just gonna pack all the gear up. We had a super fun day here at Bradenton Motorsports Park. Yeah, we're gonna go just quickly edit some stuff to keep you guys up to speed with what's going on, but we'll see you in just a little bit.